In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your iPad to Apple Watch. So let's get started. Now, unfortunately, it's not possible to connect your iPad to an Apple Watch because Apple Watch requires an iPhone for setup and most functions. So for example, features like messaging, calls, and apps, they all rely on the iPhone. But what can you do with an iPad? Now, if your iPad and Apple Watch are signed into the same Apple ID, you can see some health data via iCloud if shared through Health app on iPhone. You can also receive certain iCloud notifications if apps sync across devices. However, you obviously can't avail the full functionality and benefits of an Apple Watch like it would be when it's connected with an iPhone. Well, so that's why you need to have an iPhone to use the full functionalities. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.